Welcome to the International Space Station, a marvel of human ingenuity and technological achievement orbiting over 400 kilometers above the Earth's surface. In this virtual tour, we'll take a look at some of the key features and ongoing research on the ISS. First, let's take a look at the exterior of the ISS. The station consists of several modules, including the Russian Zvezda module, the American Destiny Laboratory, and the Japanese Kibo Laboratory. These modules are connected by a network of trusses and solar panels, which provide power to the station. The ISS is also equipped with a robotic arm, which is used for various tasks including spacecraft docking and maintenance. Moving inside the ISS, one of the first things you may notice is that there is no up or down. The station's microgravity environment allows astronauts to float freely throughout the modules. The interior of the ISS is divided into several areas, including sleeping quarters, exercise equipment, a galley for preparing meals, and a toilet. One of the most important aspects of the ISS is the ongoing scientific research being conducted there. The station is home to a variety of experiments across a wide range of fields, from medicine and biology to physics and astronomy. For example, the Microgravity Science Glovebox, MSG, is a sealed container that allows astronauts to perform experiments on materials that would be difficult or impossible to study on Earth. The MSG is currently being used to study the properties of metals and alloys, as well as combustion processes. Another experiment on the ISS is the Advanced Plant Habitat, APH, which is used to grow plants in microgravity conditions. This research has important implications for long-duration spaceflight, as it could provide a sustainable source of food for astronauts on deep space missions. In addition to these experiments, the ISS is also used for Earth observation, with cameras and other sensors used to monitor everything from weather patterns to environmental changes. The station also serves as a testbed for new technologies, with researchers constantly working to improve life support systems, spacecraft propulsion, and other critical systems. Overall, the International Space Station represents a remarkable achievement in human spaceflight and scientific research. Through ongoing research and exploration, we continue to learn more about the universe around us and the potential for human spaceflight in the future. One of the most significant areas of research on the ISS is human physiology and health. Astronauts on the station experience a variety of physical and psychological challenges due to the microgravity environment, including bone and muscle loss, changes in cardiovascular function, and radiation exposure. To study these effects, the ISS is equipped with a variety of medical equipment, including ultrasound and MRI machines. The station is also home to ongoing studies on the effects of long-term spaceflight on mental health, vision, and other areas of human physiology. Another area of research on the ISS is the study of fluids and materials in microgravity. Without the force of gravity, fluids behave differently, and scientists are studying this behavior to better understand a variety of phenomena, from fluid dynamics to material science. For example, researchers are using the ISS to study the formation of crystals and other materials that would be difficult or impossible to produce on Earth. The ISS is also an important platform for astronomical research. The station's vantage point above the Earth's atmosphere allows for observations of the cosmos that would be impossible from the ground. Astronomers use the station's telescopes and sensors to study a variety of objects, from stars and galaxies to the cosmic microwave background radiation left over from the Big Bang. In addition to the scientific research being conducted on the ISS, the station also serves as an important platform for international cooperation. The ISS is a collaborative effort between the United States, Russia, Japan, Europe, and Canada, and the crew on board typically includes astronauts from several different countries. This collaboration has led to important advances in spaceflight technology and helped to foster better relations between nations. Finally, it's worth noting that the ISS is also an impressive engineering feat. The station was assembled in orbit over the course of several years, with numerous spacewalks and robotic operations required to connect the various modules and components. The station is also a marvel of sustainability, with water and air recycling systems that allow the crew to live and work in space for extended periods of time. The International Space Station is a remarkable achievement in human spaceflight and scientific research. From its ongoing studies on human physiology and health to its observations of the cosmos and collaborations between nations, the ISS represents the best of what humanity can accomplish when we work together and push the boundaries of what is possible. One of the most striking things about the ISS is its size. The station is about as large as a football field, and its interior space is roughly equivalent to that of a 5-bedroom house. Despite its size, the station is highly modular and can be expanded and reconfigured as needed. In fact, new modules and components are regularly launched to the ISS to upgrade its capabilities and accommodate new experiments and research. Another important aspect of the ISS is its role as a training ground for future space missions. Astronauts on the station must be highly skilled in a wide range of tasks, from performing complex scientific experiments to operating robotic arms and other equipment. This training is critical for future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond, as it prepares astronauts for the unique challenges of spaceflight. The ISS is also an important symbol of international cooperation and collaboration. The station represents a joint effort between several countries with different cultures, languages, and political systems, all working towards a common goal. This collaboration has been critical to the success of the ISS and has helped to build stronger relationships between countries. Finally, the ISS has played an important role in inspiring the next generation of scientists and engineers. The station is a powerful symbol of human ingenuity and achievement, and its ongoing research and exploration offer endless opportunities for discovery and innovation. Through initiatives like the Student Spaceflight Experiments program, the ISS has also helped to engage and inspire young people to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and math, STEM. In conclusion, the International Space Station is a remarkable achievement in human spaceflight and scientific research, representing the best of what we can accomplish when we work together and push the boundaries of what is possible. From its cutting-edge scientific experiments to its international collaboration and inspiring legacy, the ISS is an important symbol of our curiosity, creativity, and resilience as a species.